In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or disconnect Stripe from Substack. Let's get started right from your Substack home. Make sure you're signed in to the publication you want to monetize. From there, head into Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find Settings either in the left sidebar or in the top right menu. This is where Substack keeps all the controls for your publication, including payments. Inside Settings, look for your list of publications and use the arrow to open the detailed settings for the one you're working on. You're aiming for the payments or monetization area, where Substack walks you through getting paid subscriptions up and running. If you see a prompt that says Continue Setup, click that. It simply means there are a few remaining tasks to complete before payments can go live. Next, choose Connect Stripe. Substack uses Stripe to process paid subscriptions, and connecting the two securely authorizes Substack to create and manage your subscriber charges, while Stripe handles the actual payment processing. A secure Stripe window will open. Here, enter the email you use for your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, using the same email helps Stripe find it quickly. If you don't have one yet, Stripe will guide you through creating it during this flow. After typing your email, click the highlighted button to continue. You'll be prompted for your password to verify access to your Stripe account. Enter your password carefully. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, Stripe may also ask you to confirm a code or approve the sign-in. Just follow the on-screen instructions. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. When everything looks correct, click Submit to authorize the connection. Stripe will securely pass you back to Substack, and you should see confirmation that your Stripe account is now connected. From here, Substack can create paid plans and collect subscription payments on your behalf. If you don't see the confirmation right away, refresh the page or revisit the settings area to verify the connection. A few quick tips. Make sure you're connecting the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one. Keep an eye out for browser pop-up blockers that might prevent the Stripe window from opening. And confirm that your business details in Stripe are complete, so payouts aren't delayed. If you ever need to disconnect in the future, you'll find the option in the same payment section of your Substack settings. That's all you need to link Stripe with Substack securely and start getting paid for your work.